Anping Webwire Mesh Company Ltd was founded in 1982. Our company is one of Chinese professional wire mesh manufacturer. Now Webwire Mesh has grown into a team of 142 skilled professionals. Our dedicated and responsible team works with passion and commitment, building dreams through hard work. At present, Webwire Mesh Company Ltd has woven mesh machines including imported machines about 100 sets, mainly produce woven wire meshes. Among of them, wire mesh width is up to 6 m, roll length up to 200 m, the total annual output of 60,000 rolls. We can bring your ideas to life through our fabrication services. Webwire Mesh have shears, brakes, presses, rollers, and welding machines to customize any wire mesh projects for different customer needs. The company has complete testing equipment, including a raw material testing room, finished product inspection room, micrometers, tension testers, and universal testing machines. Every product is carefully tested at each step to ensure the highest quality. Webwire Mesh drives development through innovation, adheres to its core values with craftsmanship, and creates the future through dedication and hard work.